Monorepo vs Multirepo. What is a repository strategy? Repository strategy equals how you organize your project's code across Git repositories. It decides how many repos you use, how teams share code, how builds and deployments work, how dependencies are managed, why, affects teamwork, affects performance, affects scaling, affects maintenance. What is a monorepo? Monorepo equals one single repository that contains many projects or services. It can contain front-end app, back-end app, mobile app, shared libraries, config files, all in one repo. Why? Everything lives in one place. What is a multirepo? Multirepo equals each project or service has its own separate repository. Example: front-end repo, back-end repo, auth service repo, payment service repo. Why? Each project is independent. 1. Code organization. Monorepo. All code in one repo. Single version history. Shared folders. Multirepo. Each project has its own repo. Separate version history. Clear boundaries. Why? Monorepo equals centralized. Multirepo equals distributed. 2. Dependency management. Monorepo. Shared libraries inside repo. Easy to update dependencies together. No version mismatch. Multirepo. Libraries are versioned separately. Need package publishing. Version conflicts possible. Why? Monorepo equals simpler sharing. Multirepo equals stronger isolation. 3. Team collaboration. Monorepo. Everyone works in same repo. Easy cross-team changes. More merge conflicts. Multirepo. Teams work in separate repos. Less conflict. Harder cross-repo changes. Why? Monorepo equals collaboration. Multirepo equals separation. 4. Build and CI/CD. Monorepo. One pipeline for many projects. Need smart builds. Only build changed parts. CI can be slow if not optimized. Multirepo. Each repo has its own pipeline. Simple pipelines. Faster per project. Why? Monorepo equals complex CI. Multirepo equals simple CI. 5. Versioning and releases. Monorepo. Single version or tags. Release everything together. Easy coordinated releases. Multirepo. Each repo has its own version. Independent releases. More flexibility. Why? Monorepo equals unified version. Multirepo equals independent versions. 6. Access control and security. Monorepo. Harder to restrict access. Everyone sees all code. Risk of exposure. Multirepo. Easy to control access. Teams only see their repo. Better security. Why? Multirepo equals safer for big orgs. 7. Performance and scalability. Monorepo. Large repo size. Slow clone. Needs tooling. Basal. NX. Turborepo. Multirepo. Smaller repos. Fast clone. Scales naturally. Why? Monorepo equals heavy. Multirepo equals lightweight. 8. Tooling support. Monorepo tools. NX. Learner. Turborepo. Basal. Multirepo tools. Standard Git. CI tools per repo. Package managers. Why? Monorepo needs special tools. Multirepo works with default Git. 9. Common beginner mistakes. Using Monorepo without CI optimization. Using multirepo with too many dependencies. Not defining ownership. No repo strategy. Mixing both without plan. Why? Leads to chaos. Hard to maintain. 10. Best use cases for Monorepo. Use Monorepo when check mark small to medium teams. Check mark shared codebase. Check mark single product. Check mark tight integration. Check mark startups. Why? Easy collaboration. Easy refactoring. 11. Best use cases for multirepo. Use multirepo when check mark large teams, check mark microservices, check mark independent deployments, check mark strong security needs, check mark open source libraries. Why? Clear ownership, safe isolation. 12. Can you mix both? Yes, check mark. Hybrid approach. Main product equals Monorepo. Shared libs equals separate repos. Why? Balance flexibility. Reduce risk. Real life example. Monorepo equals one big shopping mall. All shops in one building. Shared utilities. Multirepo equals many separate shops. Each shop is its own building. Why? Monorepo equals centralized. Multirepo equals independent. In simple words, Monorepo equals one repo for everything. Multirepo equals many repos for many projects. Monorepo equals easier sharing. Multirepo equals better isolation. Choose Monorepo when working closely. Choose Multirepo when working independently. Monorepo vs Multirepo equals centralization vs separation.